Hello, agus bhaidcí hiag Na Seansálaithe, mas maidh seansa glacu glaciad Na Seansálaithe. Is mar Hugh miguil cheada agus táid arás Arís, táid teach suas níos gura agus níos gura gotí Eagrán seachtainí, which is honestly another way I was getting in the arm for leor. Mar, still father. You know what? You can't teach a full fiction. It's all good. My job, Mars, grad, la much colacia, la much carja, or dúspóir, the machala, Áine weir. Áine, get you more tlet.
My chin does a good joke, Neil, if I'm hearing that at you.
Whoa! The hell, man?
Tá mé mágu. Tá mé ínta thursa in éon deir seachna ag an ardeis ach ínta sona ach gomáil sin cógraithe. Dibrí mé chuig deag in é le dul tríd an fosa de lig a rud mai tafadar ag an ardeis. So, có thursa ach sin what bué, bhí sé ínta.
Jesus. Yeah, and you're calling me shit or Harby. I just feel like we're like dead or much casa lahai tomo father. Because it can't be dead or much casa. Tomo shaw fasta. Le James of Fáilte. James, Jimmer Tati.
Come on, this shit on intros accurate for my let piece of others. Just dead or much. Yeah, come on. Yeah, chuig me go der seachtainí de sco agasise ag an ardeis agus bhí bug an fómó war mar sin. Eagrán na fish on fad. Chomh seach gobar de lún agus dus chomh cóileach gran ardeis harbor agus ima like ní romhainn is a fómór with the I know a chat man run chance of the agus tá should go hauling so there you go. Let's do chat Áine agus oíche Hugh so like
oh wait, Kate what a kind fin show. She don't
no test was good year Kate with the country and that's and run is glotcha a hollow on Rio.
We
Hughie. Oh
Hughie.
And Giggling should have like with a Hughie.
Was it a Hughie her arm?
Yeah.
She wouldn't go shifte agus an lodge in the TG car she can go in the dingy wang so don't the current Hughie arm. But you know what? Takad ogav. Sin carca leor lumsa. But yeah, no, we must the crutny go out more, James. Well, actually, listening a rare haromish really to a missile. Marial, Garoa, and Labby double lumsa done.
Yeah,
Seachtain
fairness. Yeah, we might class the Dini is usually like, oh, what if she used to suffer? And my cousin Dini on over, I guess you might like, oh yeah, Beja, yeah, but that journal to play. And then do shit. Oh yeah, but that Abad was saying full of details. But actually, no, bear the spoon on Hugh. He saw them at the bag of cheese. That's more insensible. Cheese.
Agus we in family room show what ní slú ná council gonna ignore this. We show ní óseach morgler the vert really. So I'm trying to squeeze carrot the new chat she's going.
Yeah, no, we show like. Mar it's ansáineálaí family rooms with English, but she didn't wrote that by Virginia new reviews or English. Oh, Shama. Then the family rooms are fun.
I can just laugh at TikTok a husu.
She didn't come because I mean, now what would you new family room who's small first or faster? Sheelam?
Top preference tonight.
Oh, look at us, chassis coming up in the world.
It's really
the logistics.
Treating ourselves in it.
No, in fairness though, Marud na ngach ma she's because I'd say the what man rode chuig on Garu she's the centrish chuig pelemers. I say mach ma godonne kennen sie meine keer wagen after say half into so should ma goede holle geskip is mach ma land that is on. So it's it wouldn't have been a pretty sight.
Chuck James the suit agus in chin vicha in the Lee Riverdoyeg. That would be
Vi dini now in a like we mahin as Hugh she Arthur was it Lani Tree Caher?
I think we now hitch the call vi chuig.
Lani Caher. Oh really? Okay.
Well, hoi mishe gajin now we like Lani Caher agus one this is in chat and then just hash this a can't reach because I are hash with can't reach.
Crack nahi interview because we would like Kayla but we would kite the dini eggs and stuff we would mish research like round up plug den ihe or to Hugh, you know.
Debrief in oíche amach sin rud is táhachtí sinna fágur muise agus James sauna ar an darna leid an this.
But you know what? That too actually okay at she's turn up mar vi right dini normal like led an awan for day as dirche grosha and he could shock the clover margin. Agus vi criú ige J so bheith daoine ann le go crack leis go dtí i seachtar maidir.
No,
Yeah,
imagine better go dar was to Swiss, a read na hiiche whatever was for the guy boost us the vi go fáil ar an tear ar an sesh goes go fáil hart.
Dimmer me chéad cluthe go social is seachtain outfield.
Oh.
Like fi mo an goal, so we make immer na tosie. Ag sin chéad cluthe immer an tosie, I'd say we ma chuig agus. Ner dus like ner eers ma ma thuach question. Be ma chosse réiti they tite me. Be ma Christen. It was just not pretty. Like
Bhí muine mar gin an éon céalaí.
Bhí vi gan ra bhí much cos sa ho briste sin ná beidir níos briste ríis marhealar bailí limní agus sí bhí man aice le ban agus go héine tú go má whatever gus sin le cairde agus an sin bín ever mícheartta go agus tagan le strandseiriste so leis a bhain seo a bhí better le ná som cearchan cearchan na chuig whatever just antí si hartarm agus dúirt si agus nó an seoráidún hánearna si bailí limní chiche hánearna si dása céalaí chiche agus í gardas chun na Gaeilge and I was like cén dóid cén ar fur tú hiúla seo hófáda sin I mean tá hósas in iscúil sin an able to reg ro si able to dhéanú ach bhí just bhí intasarm gro gur chaid si an méid seo am ag Lord an Gaeilge agus ag dulthaigh amachtaí cos le seo gan dása céalaí dhéanú.
Yeah,
mar go bugad op bad an take.
Butnish go screwdú on solar chater.
But then rud Nero actually few rawagun and ag an Gaeilge show like the Aidan Hall a Lord Lahan and a ní leis go bhí got Jesus go bhí da why me go go mar skull virtual is the agus the about society and vir hand er like canani so ní lus kom céin dói go si síl omland seki ag de himachti show gan da
Fi going just team with an chamra. Nero éan an chartarthaí é da absolút leich na Gael Christíon.
Rin sé lagin bio den drolín agus hí se den cé tro second grow an lugus ar siúil grown tracker siúil agus an darkme stu sé as bhí sé ásanil bhí sé cos gur workout gentige like ní sin ó an éisce le canú tá sé cótápi it's like it's rapé like láta as bhí sé denú jobbín tá.
Tá bliantí fád cheap me sin nachró éon fácha leis ná an sin mar gur cos tá fáil an right mar goró an amhhain a hallma na bhí tí sa céalaí mór ná tí ag na céalaí a bheith arsúil i cost of réide run na farste a tal fechail ar réaltí na Gaeltachta ar RT1 na an Mart mí Marta tá Sean speakers on like Sean speakers on so another one hallma she was just like near just near Hollama Mars cart could you like gur cheanding it as like Bluetooth speaker like leg and whatever because you were like oh my god like there's actually a rare fakla
disrespect go Sean Monaghan sin on disrespect
dói a bheith is
a rapper is sure in Gaeilge
yeah
including
gone out of me
or the runoff banger. I shouldn't literally. In fact, never on the runoff on Eurovision travesty. Nog ook geen groet zijn, maar double song. So
Daar ook toen on dinge chealú ó gin Eurovision like dinge Gaeilge whatever cé cheala like cé happen to an vibe cart le haid in Eurovision.
I feel like Earlo Leonard we're digging eat a moody o Earlo like death like
Queen of the Three would it
Pedro should just get the over no
just get the book yeah thing you just
I'd say just kneecap around I was just let carnage unfold
yeah
so
also actually the chantal free Palestine or in Gamma you just
okay forget yeah Mars cart but no but in dachratcha like just ní smó Gaeilge chluistelige ag Eurovision
Sílam derm goni sim gur ceart me ahantír I canú I an gannáisianta sa Queen Seachas na tír lig seo canú mélags tascot nach Lauren an tower an I béle mar just been couple of focal agus Jern si der vela into Ashla and you're like come on Azerbaijan like tascot nach Lauren to béle.
I mean, Hoglash the ref in there and he fostered though because Jern was a fucking he's size grand.
Yeah. Well we can't do you know
you
know. Just get it to me. Actually simula.
Yeah. I can sin, Bedger, it's the great thing you've called there's no in your fod.
Yeah.
The pop bangers and Daro sin on then Niveo Waterloo again Glaba. So, more so on your vision.
You make a very good point.
Euphoria. Wait, Lauren.
Sorry.
Class. Vision
Banger.
Oh my god.
She's course of Tarla just a sour father law bicycle. She's cruiser. The Euphoria player. Cruiser. Absolutely cruiser. She's and the bicycles. Good course Tarla agus a Blair and a speaker. Agus is actually when I tweet show where a car Sean Dohin go will she shin more on dinner type Sweden edition I think.
Oh, Samu.
Really?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Well, this is the Con Sweden hole. I think Nisam really need really layman tweet, but yeah, I think.
She don't go in character good. And I can should read where in the book find you a hand blean. Been compilations or YouTube. It's like that hand butcher truck of blean and it's proud of a character who should.
But like and parch gone to shin that like air and like a bunch like Harva han blian.
Han blian. Vi couple of blian in Gaeilge sílam. Vi Dana, vi Niamh Kavanagh, vi Johnny Logan, vi what an economic my.
The rock and roll kids.
Yeah. The Cupuccino, no fairness.
Yeah, absolutely. Look, banger after banger after banger after banger. Agus nish.
Banger?
Nish.
Stop! No! For God's sake, no. That spirit Barry Shukru.
Is I close as the group isn't.
Gaimer actually flee in Eagrán sin because on the street in McGurk for each the analytics is really because much inta. Shin kin the Eagrán is is more tugging. Yeah.
As wis good group Barry ni éistó sé leis.
Ní éistó sé leis.
No, mar tasca grom se get go agus gur charity nach ceart ra.
Carta, yeah.
Yeah. They're go fear all over again on Tronation.
Fair. Mana bhfuil se cluiste again then you take Gaeilge Sean is caiid all rash agus é se leis tá se actually ho grammar just tapped behavior. Oh, a handling it. Agus ní bhain bar if you mit your fod, you like get to down and he's just get to get raw comfort da sheedum in the goal they're sucking hain. But could you run book funch a jar Seachtain da Nardash that Áine can happen to?
Sheedum Peter ag an seachtú Seachtain na Gaeilge. Mar gromager an fríomh sráid. The much in a hatcha to Montarin, Shulhard, as a Garkard, Cuslegro, tree liggin, Owina leg, like, what are these absolute weirdos doing here? The Aid on the egg, Kirsha Bird, need out Seti on Aaron Trudge, the Bana Sholinown, the Mahains Hugh, a Taffid, the face paint, the Shidamoon, Dousadu, Cranny, Teo Steed, and then Connershin, the just, the Shag. Fast as me me like inta brodul sílam ag an pointe sin me garcart like arcarin tamid seo fiú mar daoine guríar ben tamid seo so yeah vi sin gur sin an book pointe dú so vi sé special go
vi go
futa
a double bed Jerring go and book bunch of views.
Thanks you. The should raw basically good the book is now from Michelle.
No, would you have the country? No, we actually creepers not this is line James. Because you're man interested in the fun facts or thought of yogum fleeing ball. Like a roast bay No, because the Russell could be and shouldn't that well the ambulances are fought cheer.
Oh, fuck off.
In Enoch. In Enoch.
Áine, tu fág tú a go.
Reaction couple of second term.
But-
So near few Louis Hugh and junction of like a Seachtain.
They're my la landini.
Near few lumse. But the road one at Dinch with Dahan didn't grow James attract. We like Buzz more Dina, they were like call James, call him Danella, call a trio Ella than
Daniela, what do you call him? Jim?
Ella
Not John, not Kid
Call
Time.
him Buxton. Agus an Jim, honey, Trinona just ahern, woman to like Kayla, Safoye, the bubbles Velgin, as Yaman call James. As we Dini, as we Dini, Brona na rock to am.
V dingy the larg. V kenshit am
Shin to go much against your brega, ni and shin wouldn't a brega real.
Real.
You're winning or big assing.
We're reliable. We're reliable narrators. Nelson Gajay the Gantry. Yeah. Irish Mr. Bragg and Masil Ryu. No.
Jane, actually,
Tús a seachtainí na Gaeilge dó.
Yeah.
Big boss. Agus tá go le clasnis mé a seachtainí na Gaeilge tosí agus somas go le go sús agus tosí túra a garad so sin bos má roinge go se look inis.
Yeah, Seachtain na Gaeilge inis and Seachtain is fudge is sa bbliain.
Seachtla jeg na bheith?
Seachtla jeg.
Tá chuig dó seachtain forward calendars ach is saoil na Gaeilge ní nach chuige.
Yeah, no. Caiim a mahar couplicin. It's failure at definitely been hugging. But yeah, so kind of like asked us because Hashim and Podcha, like Blian because Tummel behind, Blian Gilai Pedrick a bunch of Shanish, agus an Amshaw there. Even you can't be shocked in the Gaeilge cake with jazz is a visha, the veg dulling the amachti sharfad, agus nish, and Liana. Virginia actually genuine shocked.
It's which then Himachti.
It's Virginia, we are the attractions. But yeah, our ring of Ainwood la shocked the River Shaw, like in row, and you're on the shift like Kaylee's na, Fáilte bugga, no, which were parts in the Banny Hall actually never should so I get that's like a flute and from a more and that could be rod.
Shin rod allwar noon all Hugh ni he going to for Jar Neil Shin come more on the hella.
What?
And marching band, yeah. Twan and Banny Hall Clohanili, like she'd Inta. That shin on Bana sa canter and when Mahaka noon all, but Neil Moran they even Hyundai.
What the hell?
She'd lig noon all, yeah, me much.
I literally, right, Sean would get Paralams General Lila Fadrick was Rahan or Deuce Parga Anagri, because Arkin and the Banny Hollinshin, then Rahan ga Crawley, Larkin the Banny Hollinshin, then Drahan Sheer Gidor and Shin, Arkin the Banny Hollinshin. I was in charter Rash Gaji Quahandia, Larkin the Banny Hollinshin. It was literally marching band after marching band after marching band after marching band. I was in Rud Kearney Gaklash, it was marching band after marching band. We should Ahanet.
Shin cos le Mamaka Broom still like na Comoru like Dona Casca. But what's good again flat and me Glockin Bonnie Kjol Gunagal Shelliver and Gomortis Mar Neil Bonnie Kjol o Kundir BLL.
Stop.
So booing she dahan blian, yeah. But she dahan why, but yeah, ni vin Comortis o Kundir Helen. It's Comortis Itter Bonnie Gunagaltan. Beautiful, yeah. Big flat on the hair like yeah.
She know the Catman, literally Catman Goni Grosha like Rod Itter Bonnie Hall.
Like better couple can acta good just smoke so too skirt. Yeah.
Brala much older, they love a good march in fairness.
Yeah. Okay, no ni me more in Rio for moving on.
That's me and you were James. That's me you were.
Okay.
I was not play out in my first anyway.
No.
Couldn't need the veil Richard.
For the way he's saying.
What's up?
Cé fágil mé nervhí se faoi James version is.
Oh no, be amar dóigen. What he called.
Gibbers AFL who's on freshen, so it's a busy weekend who's on. So come on.
Yeah, rather be níos
full on tournament in Saturday freshen, so I'm happy.
Níl aon rud níos gaelach na AFL sin rud the whole mission. Sin Seanach. Mar a deirtar sa Sean leotaí níl aon rud níos gaelach na AFL.
Yeah, agus funny enough in the Australian edition version.
Yeah, deirtar na Seanach le hall na Australia fast.
Ach le the Kester agart.
Sorry, yes.
Ní dónam gnearna mé mar an riomh de seach na Gaeilge Beidir ar scoil gro caidí, cainteoirí teachtaiste nó céilethe bin. But ní dónam gnearna mé rud a bí sort of extracurricular riomh de heachta na Gaeilge. Well, bheith féil na hinseir siúlas, gomórtas mór hí san gon ag fear agus le drámaíocht is aglí birte agus scuríocht is aithne mar sinar siúil. So I suppose sin an tain rud eile gan hin. Jé fuair se.
No, James, no, on your honest end was
Sada. Like in the first thing is you're something even going to hit on. I don't think it's just shocked the Melvian, I think it's going to thought in your tad on like decking the t-shirts is really basically going to have to come about it, but shouldn't make it on. We all go with the consequence to go any think it's got neons is more good for free but initially the local was chords and more moon sorry should they. There said, oh yeah, to wad ní smú imachtaí go seach na Gaeilge áitrí tíh mó go Gaeltachtaí. All the coch and king Gaeilge wad ní smú, whereas stoi mat de monaste in Gaeltach Somal na thinking that the guni laws Gaeilge anyway, so it's not much that could have been promotion there, but yeah, what should I though? I think wish I felt see though in this I think go glory imachtaí on in this now Marvin Michigan School. But yeah, like Champaca now, I would love imachtaí more wrong. Any excuse they just because you know.
Ag dahan mé sin ar peg me garcan na himachtaí le tar siúil. Tá bhhad ní smó tar lús na carcha ná tá a mu gan chun mara. Ní le couple of roads really as more true it.
Yeah, caiitú na James go arás agus a bhúnúdaí faoi seachtain na Gaeilge ag leat go arás agus bheith a thuird a gail rosa go dro seachtain omláin bunch of just changa minch of lort
link do mention team go dé dóla me a gar mór
an féidir mansplaining a dhéanú de sin
yeah tá ná áirí áan na daine eiceáil agus mar siúr seach ag scáil cancer seach na Gaeilge just ar a chulle ile múntar tá twat that.
Didn't cost a lot. Nervy misha nervous mar camera to do I mean flanny orgs or dogan dingy mocht in Gaeltacht vi to our chastis on the run the forest it's she didn't his chishman shouldn't go Gaelic and canter or whatever I guess Mark Hanner had let the look her her and our chastis shocks and just right take them it was genuine rodella Jenny should in screw shot how Rose was a cake hotel with a V shaw la high the scholaries with the machine. So Hermish Jahar agus for man our chastis because you the mooncher eggs and the cannery eggs and the delta your father oh my god car just the machine bunch of creation the end of bianti is blah 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 it's gonna crack whatever. Agus handing on the wall agus dermal weher oh for man our chastis it's just have these charts which so which tattoo ask counter tattoo out from the forest monowhere to bitch and pretty weird so.
Yeah, Mama Car spit
Mama
Car literally all facts no printer. She just
exactly
go home on she is coming she's that Asian when the way broad the last that's just good just genuine the bare minimum basically.
Speaking of Seachtain Gaeilge though, tá Arís ling for sin. Do noch cost get into the so can hook chips.
Cargus, yeah. Do you know what? Hugmas was glossary. Agus Hugmas just cap go mai hi bariat. Hugmas was an acliacht. Chiapam just to just occur bariat them had seal is jahan sin. Glockmas or Hugmas was ag all, just ag all an ummerke fast, an bar of beers in the so yeah, just really Tesha and Delhi, but Jenny Mummy Hill come him on Hunshaw, yeah. Tá was asked to do clean you could do called token like Keiko.
Oh man, that do Hugh is all sample. Like it's just like that do homa.
Yeah.
You know what I can't look at Tá all definitely go done yeah tá aquacht agus in the glass refreshing a cur scar the heel like so 100% like it's
I mean, there's all like there bhí a gáil bí me genú rudí bí me aber rare rudí like astra agus genú jokes crap agus sin curm like DMs hig like courage mochaj courage agus Jenna ruddy an silly there tama a gáil so yeah caiimime a lán amach.
I feel like a put like dig at herbs
100%.
Oh no.
Yeah, you must go should what we should again.
No, Jenna shouldn't rain those. Sin actually wrote, tá go sus an cargus is tá could stopped on the DM slides. Sin wrote money in it. Not the anime, oíche.
Can have to do on success rate go DM slides?
Oh, 0% easily. 0%. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Murder twin Gretzky. Agus Mike Scott. Agus just ní anime DM slides. Agus an romhainn anime tama boom so slá mar carja. So it's so yeah no.
Agree to disagree.
Yeah. Tá against this look 0% success rate. Agus ní rodálce sin, do you know what? Look, just ní hé dúsa é mar dúirt tusa aine tagann siad thugamsa.
Ní gá a tibbrú churbh tagann na cáilí ní thugam.
Nels, I don't appreciate Keiko Trump was this a Gary for Shin James.
No, just basically that you're wrong. Oh, you heard DMs. Just took him wrong.
Shouldn't hear that. Why man gas and hard to Callie Nick and Lord for you?
Tom should go in for job. No, Tom should like. Tom should like a witness on like holy can just show Tarlu, but just seeing what she's above and then just flock on should seem like you. It's been like kids are fuck no shit the internet and then like being just huge in nonchalant as you like. I just got it even to Korea like it's just to see the whole and it's ridiculous.
Yeah. You've just got an aura, an energy about you.
An energy about me, yeah.
Yeah.
An energy to be like 10 far Shaw sa watching and I can have the crack lesh.
Gragar and her kind to an Aaron jump version.
Yeah. I'm just cuddly. Shinna rod thon. Arkham co cuddly. Shinna fag get dagan thing so
Huey bug.
Huey bug. Come on now. Jeff puts in you carry kid Jeff to the torso and cargus. Manga
t-shirts agus
what the
hell? Hurrah Sheelam Gravision agus Tíle to Fáilte nach God you truck euro wear.
Oh wow, sorry but this is a Gary and Tíle edition. Third still home be like wow can actually worth the shootings can the Visha so you're
my ragra my Uri.
It was heavily implied. Okay, well,
she's great list of all the glory and the glory little bro American.
Wow, yeah, I think.
Oh, I was Bader WWE, come on, because Tommy through the jar, go search obsessive personality. You're going to come a version.
Yes, which is the catchphrase. What do you call it? I don't think go to. Well, actually. Her tisser wrestling meme pogums a Arís Seachtain.
Yeah, tá sé definitely chat in Easter my phone. Yeah, go my phone a Gaeilge the Hugh her and Seachtain kind of WWE.
bhí me like caiimiid caiime doháil agus ar chur nó fáil ré le ha AEW Revolution ag dear seachtainine so caiime Tá ho ré and then bhí the phone's like rud simú mai Gary
Yum yum.
Níos mó yum fucking smoocher sin go bháil. Look, Jerm má deirtar é urhaing Jerm Arís. Tá mis Gary sibh se dul lom Hig show wrestling like and I think of it dóigin.
Pretty much.
I think of it a class crack.
She doesn't no. But she gur ceart the James an rud go seisina gur tús fan an Arís a Reinton.
Yeah, can't dig with the go out of arms.
The Matusus football special.
No.
No.
Guinness zero.
Wait.
Guinness zero. Bonuses like cards with my colony with my cards gonna hééis teorí agus na daine nach brand seo bhí air quotation agus he's not good at horses.
You know that we're Áine and Digs and Shuff. 1 second. We're just completely just
the matter Sue's boyfriend well.
Towards us fan at Fáilte. Towards us.
Tá sib se fan at Fáilte, ní me se fan at Fáilte.
True, fairness, true.
Ní smóla ma farsantacht na mo Gaeilge. I'm more than him. I'm more than my relationship.
Oh, yeah.
Tá actually Turtsu's COVID on.
Double burn, wow.
Alright. Oh, the funny I could.
I'm telling you, did you know the joke Sean ish, but again, a couple of shots in this, did this Maru chin or in Zoom.
The mission invincible, man. More immune system just in overdrive.
Michelle Shock Clipal just so nerfying to COVID to
Oh shit.
Go to Gary into the Goonie care to actually go hurt Sus and Arís. Vini James doing solar hussy margin top.
Yeah, do my show confidence in fairness.
Agus an sinder to go on in show me that I'm gonna.
No, do not. What you carry? See my like. Ah, was. To my dinner on route against no boxers. Agus I get on testosterone and look more behind all the shit. FIP. She's not.
Balak into classy that I heard.
Yeah.
You might fucking doing that. I'm off the women.
Well, clusters is an urwang. I could then just cluster
I want to be honest with you. Oh, charata manish. So I actually fear like so. Come on, stop our all me all like like them should just. God, she's rude. Really done of a picture.
Wait,
a picture loneliness.
1 second. Now we did the rag road to off the women river road to Ginchin Brege.
River no like yeah. Asian no like unfortunately the 100 feet.
These of them grow to Ginchin Brege.
River no yeah, but like that's 100% true that fucking how he knows.
It's the boy who cried wolf finish. She knows it's entirely.
You fucking look on even fucking €2 coin who's gonna statues and instead of more from fucking brand or a minute.
James was somebody clear Gurker Molly Malone like oh
Peter not start to chop taking Cabosh the cabaret Gadir Shachna.
Well, do you have a chop anyways?
Hey!
Oh my god.
Huge strip on the chin. Shocking you.
They should win in Gansy more orange.
No, do you know good day to actually Janu?
25 minutes set and the jumper no one.
Just Michigan Grammy his Gansy like laugher.
By the chest hair just grab me a shot.
Can tultas tí
Oh man.
Genie Mac. Do you know go actually genuine le
Not when Aaron jump ramps, by the way.
yeah.
No, much chest hair.
Tá actually because bhí genu so you know they're ling go and call that like tech setter or tech listy enu because they her hockey like in the ruddy V agus bhí arm an around like you know because obviously the show genu like you know it's the genu like you know cabaret dances you know to you know it's really agus bhí arm an a her hockey so it's kind of like walk on music like the high boxing whatever agus rounding me le high so bit cost like I think you slow foster give like Hugh car whatever agus in chanter just in chorus and arm you know you don't have to take your clothes off to have a good time. Oh no, we can dance apart.
So Neil is a strip on you.
Neil is a strip on.
Wait, actually, he'll to grow strip on James.
Yeah.
Oh my
God. Like it's okay with my father's either kids.
Just grinned. Just Jenny grinned.
Oh yeah, we can't on comedy, and then like I get that he just take his jumper off.
I mean, need drugs me to it.
Yeah, so we should tomorrow like.
Leve Emma Rapal, Strapal alum or instead.
Hey, more with to strip a man, basically much safe from going on so you know.
You very too like, oh wow, the Hugh are really mentioned.
I know we have an Oculus, but jeez, he's looking.
Maybe just by fucking Robin Williams' body, Michelle Glenn, Greg, and Gruffalo, who's her in stature. The first sighting of Bigfoot and Aaron, like bitching.
Like that missionary, you're shocked at that to go Greg.
I'm a whole Greg, I know.
Me and you both, brother.
James commission's Greg in that, this is James.
I don't think so.
Oh man, no man, that Greg saying actually that like Nara Carcame Greg, like it's literally like, do you know what I mean? I have to shave my shoulders, like you know.
That's fucking same as. Just a fucking dreads in his false machas. Fucking toes, Hugh looking.
But like in the Hugh Keevega, Jahina, or Jahina, Shikacha, be like Grieger put the number. Then Hugh. I don't know what shape we shooting, but shed all into.
Oh, you know the darling. Look, see, just all chit and chat. But like said, go forward. No matter how hard I rub, go on. I'm go forward into Greg.
No matter how hard I rub, shit hurt the dirt.
Yeah, Shay. Yeah.
Hey, Neema's on the lowest to your hard rubs, Nish.
Oh, sorry, pronoun James.
Too soon.
Too soon.
Keep it strong, Joe.
Give me a couple last shot. Let's be good.
What's those kind of shots then?
Oh my god! Right, we have to stop this madness. And
yeah,
so they're placing James, agus. But the guy, gur mí agus a bheith geistes na seansaí mat the Garma Jamsin na main hosta how much na seansaí ar Instagram, na seansaí ar Twitter, na seansaí ar YouTube agus éad acu an fi an seo dargad A&E galanta le megansaí mór jazz agus A James agus é Harvard fad bless in na sinné seachtain. Mat the guy much acal sa fear heel cos sin rud camcuirt an donda my clunne, you know, my contas hin to Aaron Mardone. Tá much kind of a well, this bar cabbage to cabaret, my hennig is any definitely mention Mishik Jenny Grin and Jenny Tafada or a Tafad Mother the Gary in Chin charts was Shin Lighthouse
Saharn
Warach and Carolada me Martha. Mother the Gary much echo and Shin more phodchraoladh bia because Shin what the much genuineness, time much kind of a malfarster or an hinula jig than me the Martha. Stí caffeine Londú muchéin ag genú pod beo agus an sin Gaeilge in sin agus tá act dárate ag genú Gaeilge links so sú gomór go bheici muid sibh in sin.
BYOB.
BYOB, bring your own barlor. No, bring your own beer. Agus an sin mas the game Jack Arís or la eile fadrig tá much go bheith in mlá clia in sa Collins Barracks mar fáilte fé gal ag dá a chlog so Jenny cin si cumín tú an mhuí in sin ar an leis an fásta ar leir fadrig so yeah bhfuil éon ruile go gaiimiide a flogáil sulir ligamid tíir thuh.
I know go dúirs le go ra jealous go Hugh gur an amrá lug flacha timpplaid mar sin a heile go na lochtéisteach de nabochéimrá flacha timpplair le pí is mé an.
Ní hé seán am má tá tú ranna James
ní se an ná.
Fuagaigh Jin Cash can he
in a spiritual retreat to Jordan. I'm on a journey, boy.
The James is going to give you nice like shot ní sinna gur like an Eagrán just like
Benius go body go be freaking go be Molitor meals for him.
The James don't able to ruddy a bogu like hinsa ga rif Jerry vis.
He'll not fly us as the Belfast.
The teleport Yanu. Oh my god, but yeah, was rather be in parting words I would say.
No, she don't go
Fair, so fair.
She note the inta specialta le agadar.
Yeah, no ta an mai. No ta is táhacht I think you're rolling le fadan le.
Just éistigí lom.
Éistigí le dá, please.
Leave me alone.
Gur mí maigus a bhí na seansa a blim rás rís le Eagrán uair eile an seachtaí se thugaing a gotí sin bunaí salt as an teir seachtaige. Slán!
Slán!